Hi guys, today we're making a normal video, like every day, and I'm so laggy because the Zoom makes me really laggy, so I'm really sorry for that. Nagito, why are you dressed up like a clown?
So rude. It's literally Halloween. You're dressing up like Halloween doesn't even exist.
What? What is Halloween? Oh my god, I forgot Halloween was a thing. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so laggy. My camera...
You're so down.
Stop!
Maybe I should have dated smarter guy.
Leaves. Oh, what is it? Okay, I'm gonna join you. I'm so laggy. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so laggy.
Let's go to the neighborhood.
It doesn't let me go.
Just go, you're so stupid. Let's put it to my estate.
Oh my god, I have a bag. What is this? You. Oh my god.
That's a trick-or-treating bag. You're so stupid. Stop moving.
I'm trying to walk. I'm so laggy.
Why are you bumping into the wall?
No, help! I'm moving and I'm not even controlling it. I'm trying to go to my house. I'm so laggy, okay? Not my fault.
Look, I have lots of candies. I already got trick-or-treat. Oh, look, there's some... I'm flying!
Haha, that's what you get. You get revenge.
Help, I'm getting executed.
Haha.
Okay, help.
That's what you get for being ugly.
What do you mean you have terrible plastic surgery? Look at
I don't do plastic surgery. What is plastic surgery?
Girl, you're so dumb.
I'm trying to get
There's
my
candy. I'm gonna get it before you.
No, please, don't get the candy. Please.
Get candy before you.
Oh my god.
Very hot head.
So hard. I need to get revenge on him. Oh my god, gets candy cutely without Nagito. Haha, so ugly noob.
That word.
Oh my god! I can't believe you said a bad word. Oh my god, I'm getting a
Let's just go in your stupid house. We're gonna break up next episode. Watch it.
Please.
Watch until the end. And we'll give you
Please
two.
back up. You mean my life? I can't believe I got rewards from the wrong house. Oh my god, I just sat down. Help! I have to leave.
So stupid. Where are you going?
I have to go outside because I was glitching so hard.
You gotta poop somewhere.
No!
You want to go and kidnap someone?
Yes, that's what I had to say. I'm so sorry I didn't go.
Let's go to random people's houses and kick them out of their own house.
Look, I just clicked the button.
Help!
Haha, so ugly now. You're getting executed.
Kuma is floating in me.
Oh my god, I just ran out into some house.
Stop, you keep damaging your head. That makes you more stupid. Now I get
Stop, not my fault, my thing is laggy.
Stupid.
Killed you.
You who lives in a rock.
Me, I'm gonna live in a rock. Help! Oh my god, it gave me free candy. I can't believe.
Oh yeah, because you were near the candy.
Oh my god, look what the button I clicked.
Girl, we're going to a house.
Look what I'm gonna click.
Let's go in this house. It's Pumpkin house. Let's go to my house. Girl.
Now I have 1 Robux. I spent
Why
10
did
Robux.
you buy? Oh wait, I think you have enough for the pumpkin house.
No, you need 7,000. You need 7,500.
Yeah, you almost have enough.
I wish I had enough.
I'm trying to save up for it, but with the candies because it's more easier and it's cheaper. Teleport to me. I'm going to my house.
Haha, no, because you're ugly. What does this button do? Oh my god! I'm getting executed by Monokuma!
I'm going my own house.
Nagito! I'm getting executed by Monokuma!
Oh my god, I just trick-or-treated at my own house and my twin came out.
Oh
There's
my
a ghost in my house.
I secretly have a castle. Oh my god, give me free coins now.
I'm gonna
pay money to give me coins.
I'm going inside my closing. I'm going inside the closing because I'm gonna buy
Nagito.
no good.
Give me free coins. Pay money for coins. So we could live on the pumpkin.
I don't have. I have zero money.
Are you sure? You actually have 5,000. I saw your Robux last night.
I actually don't have too much. I spent it on really hot hats.
I can't believe you did that.
I made a love house. It's not finished yet.
You stole my idea.
Let's go to the other. Let's go to
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to my love house. Wait, never mind.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you hear that? I'm gonna trick-or-treat at my own house and my twin is gonna come out.
I can't believe you need these much coins.
My twin. Let's go to your house now or else.
Well, I'm gonna stop the video.
Girl, wait, let me teleport to you, girl. Or else I'll break up.
Why is there someone called Balls and Baby?
What? Well, because that's their name. They were born with that name.
I'm getting executed by Monokuma, but very violently.
Someone called Lola is following me and telling me that I'm ugly a brat.
Oh my god, I can't believe.
Girl,
Can you please give me free
they're trying to mark out with me.
Look, please, if you click on their link when you buy this, and then you click buy coins, and then click gift coins. And then click on my name, and click this button. And then put 1,000 Robux.
I don't know how to do it. I need a credit card for that.
No, you have Rooks. You have Robux. So you're gonna click buy coins. Click buy coins.
No good.
No, click the 400 one.
I don't have enough.
How many Rooks do you have?
0.
I can't believe.
I'm poor. We're dressed up like it's Halloween or else I'll break your ankles.
I'm stopping this thing because you're so annoying.
Ugly plastic surgery.
Stopping